Most solo founders try to think with their tools. Open Notion, open the doc, type, hope clarity emerges. The data says this is wrong. The fastest growing solo founders in 2026 use a deliberate thinking stack, tools that help them think, tools that get out of the way, tools that capture without interrupting. The combination matters more than the individual tools. Here's the actual thinking stack of the highest leverage solo founders I track. The setup: I asked 50 solo founders earning over $200,000 per year about their thinking workflow. Specifically, where do you do hard thinking? What tool? What environment? How long? The pattern was striking. The losing pattern: founder thinks while typing into a productivity tool, Notion, Google Docs, Roam. The tool's interface, autocomplete, formatting suggestions, and notification interrupt the thinking flow. Average effective thinking time per hour, 18 minutes. 70% of the hour is tool friction. The winning pattern: founder thinks first in a non-interactive medium, then captures the output, then iterates in a productivity tool only after the thinking is done. Average effective thinking time per hour, 41 minutes. The thinking is concentrated, not diluted by tool interaction. Stick with me at minute 6. I'll show you the 5-tool stack that produces this thinking concentration. Most thinking advice is from productivity gurus selling courses on how to use Notion better. The data says Notion isn't the problem. The medium of typing into a complex app is the problem. 5 tools. None of them are productivity apps. None of them have a notification system. Each one serves a specific cognitive task. Tool 5: the walk. The dead playbook: sit at the desk, open the doc, force the thinking. The new playbook: walk 30 to 45 minutes. No phone, no headphones, just walking. Why this works: the brain processes problems differently when the body is moving. The constraint of not having any input device forces internal processing. By the end of the walk, the founder has clarity on the problem they were trying to think through. The numbers: solo founders in my track who do daily thinking walks, decision quality score, 8.4 out of 10. Founders who don't, decision quality score, 5.6 out of 10. 50% improvement in decision quality from one habit. Solo OSPOV. The walk is the highest leverage thinking tool. It's free, it works. Tool 4: the voice memo. The dead playbook: sit and write the thought. The new playbook: speak the thought into a voice memo, then transcribe, then refine. Why this works: speaking is faster than typing. Speaking forces complete sentences. Speaking captures rhythm and pace that text loses. The transcribed output is roughly 4 times longer than what would have been typed in the same time, with similar quality. Tools used: iPhone voice memos, Otter for transcription, or Apple Notes audio capture. The transcription is automatic and free. The math: speaking 10 minutes produces roughly 1,500 words. Typing 10 minutes produces roughly 400 words, 4 times more output, same thought density. Solo OSPOV: speak first, edit later, the order matters. Tool 3: the constraint-based notebook. The dead playbook: open Notion, open a doc, no constraint. The new playbook: open a paper notebook, write by hand. The constraint of paper forces priority and synthesis. Why this works: the constraint of writing speed forces selection. You can't write everything, you have to choose. The act of choosing is the thinking. The numbers: solo founders who do weekly review on paper, average new strategic insight per week, 2 to 3. Solo founders who do weekly review in Notion, average new strategic insight per week, 0 to 1. 3 times the insight density from a slower medium. Solo OSPOV: constraint produces clarity. Paper is the cheapest constraint money can't buy. Tool 2: the conversation. The dead playbook: solo think alone in your head. The new playbook: schedule a 30-minute conversation with a peer specifically to think out loud about a problem, not to ask for advice, not to network, to use the peer as a thinking partner. Why this works: articulating a problem to another human forces clarity. The other person doesn't even need to give advice. Their presence as listener is enough. The act of explaining catches your own logical gaps. The numbers: solo founders with weekly thinking conversations with peers, strategic clarity score, 8.7 out of 10. Solo founders who don't have these conversations. Strategic clarity score, 6.2 out of 10, 40% improvement. Solo OSPOV, find one peer. Schedule one weekly thinking call. Don't optimize the agenda. The conversation is the value. Tool 1, the big one, the single sheet. This is the tool most solo founders never use. The single sheet of paper, one side, pen. Write the strategic question at the top. Write the answer below. Force yourself to fit on one page. Why this works? The constraint of one page forces brutal prioritization. The 47 considerations have to collapse to 3. The 12 features have to collapse to 4. The infinite possibilities have to collapse to one decision. The numbers: solo founders who do single sheet planning. Strategic decision velocity, 4 to 6 major decisions per quarter. Solo founders who don't, 1 to 2 major decisions per quarter. 3 to 6 times the decision velocity from one constraint. Solo OSPOV. The single sheet is your strategic thinking tool, not the doc, not the Notion page, not the meeting, the sheet. The framework. Combine the 5 tools. Daily walk, voice memo, constraint notebook for review. Weekly, single sheet for strategic question, conversation with peer. Quarterly, single sheet for quarter outcome, walk for clarification, voice memo for the synthesis. Why this works? Each tool serves a different cognitive task. The walk processes, the voice memo captures, the notebook synthesizes, the conversation challenges, the single sheet decides. The combination produces thinking that the productivity stack alone cannot. The lesson: most solo founders are trying to think with productivity tools. Productivity tools are for execution, not thinking. Thinking requires constraint, motion, voice, and conversation. The tools that look like toys produce dramatically better thinking output. If you're stuck on a strategic question, don't open Notion. Walk, talk it out, sleep on it, write it on paper, schedule a conversation, then capture in Notion. The order matters, the medium matters. I made a one-page version of this framework. Solo OS Thinking Stack, free in the description. The 5 tools, the daily and weekly cadence, the synthesis flow.